Apache DolphinScheduler is an open-source distributed big data visual workflow scheduler system in use at thousands of organizations including Budweiser, IDG Capital, IBM, JD.com, Lenovo, New Oriental, Nokia, Kihu 360, SF Express and Tencent among others. It is a visual big data workflow scheduler system. Apache DolphinScheduler is a distributed and extensible workflow scheduler platform with rich directed acyclic graph, also known as the DAG, visual interfaces. DolphinScheduler solves complex task dependencies and triggers in the data pipeline. Apache DolphinScheduler is just like a Google map of big data systems. You have big data systems on cloud or on-premise, you must have some data sources, and also you have Kafka, Flink, and Spark Streaming or Storm to deal with streaming jobs. Also you have a Spark platform. You must have like Cloudera Grimplum or Teradata or Amazon, Ali Cloud, Tezen Cloud, or some Dead Lake on cloud. Also, you have some OLAP engine like a Kitten or Presto or ClickHouse or Impala or Drill, and also you have some by tools and the data scientists the platform. There will be many jobs in your big data systems. And to deal with this kind of jobs, we provide an easy and smart solution that is the Apache DolphinScheduler. Apache DolphinScheduler is an easy-to-extend processing connects numerous systems to 100,000 level data task scheduling. Apache DolphinScheduler is cloud-native support multi-class data center workflow management. It also supports Kubernetes Docker deployment and custom task types. Distributed scheduling with overall scheduling capability increased linearly with the scale of the cluster. Highly reliable decentralized multi-master and multi-worker. High availability supported by itself overload processing. It is user-friendly as all process definition operations are visualized, defines key information and a glance. One-click deployment supports rich scenarios, includes streaming cost recover operation multi-tenant. Additional task types such as Spark, Hive, MapReduce, Shell, Python, Flink, subprocess, and more. Apache DolphinScheduler is a reliable and cloud-friendly data workflow system while using next-generation architecture and smart UI design. It has more than 4,000 users in China, with internet companies and banks forming a large percentage of users. Apache DolphinScheduler is a reliable and cloud-friendly data workflow system while using next-generation architecture and smart UI design. It has more than 4,000 users with internet companies and banks forming a large percentage of users. To know more about Apache DolphinScheduler, visit our website. And stay connected for learning more tutorials on how to use Apache DolphinScheduler. You can reach us out here.